Hi everyone, my name is Prashant Luthra. My topic for the short story presentation is Lie Detector Automatic Recognition of Deceptive Language. This is the agenda of this presentation. Let's start with the introduction of the topic. The discrimination between the truth and falsehood has received significant attention from fields such as philosophy, psychology, and sociology. In this article, the main feature is on written language, since it represents the type of data most frequently encountered on the web or in any other collections of documents. The main motivation was to explore the applicability of the computational approaches to the recognition of deceptive language. In particular, we investigate whether automatic classification techniques would be a viable approach to distinguish between the truth and the lies in the written text using natural processing language. To study the distinction between true and deceptive statements, a dataset was required. There was no such dataset available, and hence a dataset was created for the experiment. Focus was three different topics: abortion, death penalty, and best friend. For the first two topics, instructions were provided that asked contributors to express their opinion about the topic. They were asked to write at least 4 to 5 sentences expressing their opinion about the topic and then expressing the opposite of opinion. For the third topic, the contributors were asked to list down the reasons for their friendship with their best friends and then to think about the person they could not stand and describe it as if she was their best friend. 100 true and 100 false statements were collected for each topic with an average of 85 words per statement. Exceptions to dataset were made where two entries looked identical were removed from the dataset. So, based on the performance, two classifiers were used for the experiments: naive Bayes and support vector machine. Tenfold cross validation was used with the classifiers, which gave results shown in the adjacent table. The average classification performance gave 70%, which is higher than the 50% baseline, indicating good separation between the true and the false statements can be obtained by using automatic classifiers. Portability of the classifiers across topic was also tested by using two topics as training set and a third as the test set, which resulted in an adjacent table showing the average accuracy is still significantly higher than the 50% baseline. To gain the better understanding of classifications of the deceptive text, a method was devised to calculate a score associated with given class of words. The dominance score of class C is defined as the ratio of coverage of class in corpus D with respect to coverage of same class in corpus D. A dominance score close to 1 indicates similar distribution of words in the class C in both deceptive and truthful corpus. A score higher than 1 indicates a class that is dominant in deceptive corpus, and score less than 1 indicates a class that is dominant in truthful corpus. Adjacent table shows the top ranked classes along with their dominance score and few sample words that belong to given class, which also appeared in deceptive and truthful text. So, through experiments, we explored automatic techniques for the recognition of deceptive language in written text, showed that truthful and deceptive text areas are separable. In future experiment, we can also include automatic emotion analysis with recognition of deceptive language. This is the reference to the article I referred for the presentation. Thank you.